All right, we heard Kendall talking earlier about the upcoming NASCAR race, and if that's got your heart pumping, you want to try racing maybe yourself? Please do yourself a favor and write down the name of our next guest, because Eric Palacios of Eric Palacios Law, you're going to need him if you get caught racing on the streets, right? Thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
So, if you are caught street racing in Nevada, what are the consequences there?
It's pretty serious. It's treated as a reckless driving ticket.
Wow.
Additionally, you're going to have fines of up to $1,000. Your license gets taken away from 6 months up to 2 years. And you have to do up to 99 hours of community service.
Wow. Car can be impounded as well?
That's correct. It can be impounded up to 15 days the first time. If you get caught doing it again and get convicted,
second or third, okay.
Exactly. Everything is pretty much doubled, except for the jail time. You're still looking at the same amount of time.
Oh my goodness. All right, so it's a misdemeanor if no one's hurt, but that's the scariest part, and that's why it is illegal. If someone is hurt, what are we talking?
Then it turns into a felony, and you can face going to prison from 1 to 6 years, and also the fine goes from $2,000 to $5,000. So it becomes something way more serious.
All right, now, not everyone is racing. Okay, but a lot of us maybe going over the speed limit a little bit here. But those speed traps, Eric, can those cops hide from us?
They can. A lot of people think that if the cop is hiding, that's not allowed or somehow illegal or some form of entrapment, and it's not. They're allowed to hide. They're allowed to be behind corners or different things, buildings. If you do get a ticket, it's going to stick.
But you can probably fight it, maybe, and help us get it down a little bit, hopefully.
That's what's great. If you hire an attorney, we'll go to court for you. You don't have to stand in line. You don't have to go through that whole process. We do that, and we can usually get the ticket dismissed or reduced to a parking ticket.
That's what I'm talking about. Now, here's the thing. JC does this all the time. He flashes lights to the oncoming traffic to warn them. Could he get in trouble for that? Like, is that okay?
You know, some states have passed laws against that.
Okay.
Other countries have high fines for that. But some judges have struck those down. They consider flashing your lights as a type of communication. So we enjoy freedom of speech, First Amendment right. So you're allowed to flash your lights and warn others. However, make sure that doing so, you're doing it in a safe way. You're not blinding anyone and causing more
So
accidents.
JC, you're not going to jail anytime soon, so that's great. Now, we've also heard that under 9, you're fine. Like, you can probably go 7, 8 miles, 10 maybe miles an hour over the speed limit and probably be okay.
Again, not advising anyone to break the speed limit, but most of the time you are fine with this. We've even had a lot of police officers tell us that, you know, as long as you're a little bit over, if it's safe to do so, we're going to leave you alone. However, you can get a ticket for going 1 or 2 miles over the speed limit, so you need to take all this into consideration, and it depends on the circumstances. So
tell me about Ticket Tuesday. I know you just kind of briefly mentioned that you stand in line for us, but what is that all about?
If you come to our office on Tuesday, then we'll fix your tickets for $25.
Fix your tickets for $25. That might be worth going 7 or 8 miles over. I'm just saying, maybe.
If you get caught, come see us. We'll take care of it.
There you go, of course. For more information, you can give Eric Palacios and Associates a call, 702-444-7777, or, of course, visit their website, ericpalacioslaw.com.